Hello everyone, I am Dr. Akanksha Tokas from the Department of Dental Sciences at Akash Healthcare Super Speciality Hospital, Dwarka, New Delhi. Today I am here to discuss the most common dental problems in children as well as adults. So I would like to start by saying that not only children but even adults are scared to visit their dentist. So much so that they keep on ignoring their dental problems, thinking ये तो अपने आप ठीक हो जाएगा, popping over the counter, painkillers, using sensitive toothpaste. So I would like to start by discussing bleeding gums. So bleeding gums very commonly seen. It happens because of the deposition of plaque or calculus, which irritates the gum and leads to gingivitis. And it causes bleeding, sensitivity of the gums, and if not taken care and not treated timely, it can lead to more severe problems like periodontitis, which involves the surrounding bone and can lead to mobile teeth. So, dental problems require a thorough clinical examination, diagnosis, and treatment planning. Next is dental sensitivity, where patient complains of sensitivity. It can be due to hot, cold food items, drinks, and again it is most commonly it is masked by using sensitive toothpaste. But knowing the underlying cause is very important, which can be decay or the cavities in the teeth, erosion of the enamel, root exposure, recession of the gums. Next is bad breath or halitosis, very commonly seen. It can be due to poor oral hygiene, underlying systemic conditions like sinusitis, kidney diseases, liver diseases, or it can be again due to gum problems, which I discussed. It can be due to abscess present in the gums, food lodgement, cavities. So if you are someone who after having your meals run to get a toothpick and you have the constant feeling of irritation, then you should visit your dentist. Another common problem is missing teeth. So missing can be the front teeth or the anterior teeth or the posterior teeth. So it's always better to replace a missing tooth. Because when there is a missing tooth, there is an empty space, and the adjacent teeth have a tendency to shift in that space, which affects the whole occlusion and the harmony of our bite. Next common problem is pain in the teeth or the jaws. So if you are experiencing pain while lying down, especially at night, then it's a sign that you need to visit a dentist. Or sometimes the patients are not able to localize the site of the pain, whether it's the upper tooth or the lower tooth. They are not able to localize the area. So you need to visit a dentist. Sometimes patients complain of pain around their joints, which is the TMJ joint, which again needs timely intervention and treatment planning. तो हमारी जो oral health है वो बहुत important है. Just like any other systemic diseases we have, oral maintenance of oral hygiene is very important, and our oral cavities mirror of our overall body. तो मैं सबको यही कहना चाहती हूँ, जो भी पॉइंट्स मैंने अभी डिस्कस किए हैं, अगर आपको किसी भी तरीके की कोई भी डेंटल प्रॉब्लम है तो आप आकाश हेल्थ केयर आ सकते हैं अपने दांतों की समस्या से रिलेटेड. यहाँ पे सारे फैसिलिटीज़ अवेलेबल हैं, सारे इलाज अवेलेबल हैं. टाइमली आप आइए, चेकअप कराइए. हर 6 महीने में एक डेंटल चेकअप होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. इफ़ यू हैव एनी डाउट्स, एनी फियर्स रिगार्डिंग योर dental treatment, discuss with your dentist. Definitely we will help you to ease out any of your fears and anxieties, and I wish you a very good oral health. Thank you.